Bollywood, the dream factory that has produced some of the most beloved films and icons in the world. But beneath the glitz, glamour, and larger-than-life stories lies a darker, more unsettling truth. For decades, the industry has been plagued by allegations of the casting couch and harassment, an issue that's often whispered about but rarely spoken of openly.
For an actress, you should be happy to have sex.
Sleep with me, and if you want to do this part.
People are so scared because here some people are regarded as gods.
It's not just common in the industry, it's so common in Indian society.
The term casting couch refers to the practice where aspiring actors, especially women, are propositioned for sexual favors in exchange for roles in films. While this issue isn't unique to Bollywood, the tightly knit and often secretive nature of the industry makes it particularly difficult to address.
You come to Mumbai with big dreams, and then someone tells you, if you want to succeed, you'll have to compromise. It starts with a dinner, then a private meeting, and before you know it, you are being pressured into situations that you never imagined.
They sniff out victims. They scan you and they know your personality and they know which one to use and which one not to use to protect themselves.
He said, "Tere ko to ghar mein kiya tha," and he did it to me in the middle of cafe coffee day. He said, "Chalo, let's go to the bathroom."
In recent years, several prominent figures in Bollywood have spoken out against this culture. The Hush Me Too movement brought a tidal wave of allegations to the forefront, with many actors sharing their harrowing experiences.
नाना पाटेकर के बारे में तो सबको पता है कि उसने हमेशा औरतों के साथ बदतमीजी ही की है. Behind the back, they are so dirty. उसने पूछा, "It's very crude. देती है क्या?"
One of the most high-profile cases was that of Tanushree Datta, who accused veteran actor Nana Patekar of harassment. Her case sparked a national conversation, but it also exposed the deep-rooted resistance to change within the industry. Datta faced significant backlash, including threats and character assassination.
Kept it on the side. He said, "You have to be smart. You have to be sexy. जो smart है, जो sexy है, वो आगे निकल जाता है. कल मैं तुम्हें ये ऑफिस में भेजूंगा, कल मैं तुम्हें वो ऑफिस में भेजूंगा, फिर तुम मुझे कहोगे, you know, take, touch." अरे, I was like in complete shock.
I can completely understand that there would be people who are out there just waiting to take advantage of people as and when they can.
Despite the challenges, there is a growing movement within Bollywood to combat the culture of silence. Many actors, both established and newcomers, are now demanding safer working environments and more accountability from the industry.
I do feel like all of us should come together and be a support to each other, and not just girls. It's not just about girl power, girl power. It's not about gender. It is about anybody who's being manipulated and anybody who's being violated in any way.
The Film and Television Producers Guild of India has also taken steps to address these issues by instituting committees and guidelines to investigate harassment claims. However, critics argue that these measures are often just for show and that real change is still a long way off. The fight against harassment and the casting couch in Bollywood is far from over, but the voices of those who have been wronged are growing louder, and the industry is being forced to confront its darkest secrets. The question remains, will Bollywood finally break free from its toxic past, or will these stories continue to be buried beneath the weight of stardom? Because no dream should ever come with a price no one should be forced to pay.